My name is Nick, and together with this guy, we founded the company Excentr. We are a Dutch manufacturer of innovative floor cleaning equipment for the professional markets and creators of the Excentr Method. The Excentr Method comes with 5 big benefits, known as the Big 5. No, not those.
Is the Excentr one?
Come inside and I show you how good they are. So, to start at the beginning, at this department we laser cut sheets of stainless steel with great precision to create our Excentr parts. After the laser cutting process, some of the stainless steel parts need to be etched. After the welding process, we sandblast the assembly parts to give them this sexy finishing touch. Now that the assembly parts are ready, we bring them to the assembly line. Here at the production line, all machines are handmade with the utmost care. Our professionals, Jos and Bart, work with great pleasure on your new machine. And as you can see, these guys are good with their hands. When the assembly is done, we do a final quality check. Give it a go, buddy! After our approval, the machine gets a quality check label and is neatly packed in a box and stored in our warehouse. Here in our warehouse we hold stock of machines, accessories and parts. In order to please our customers, we strive to pack your goods safely and with care and ship your orders within 24 hours. Oh yeah, and you get a 2-year warranty on your machines. So, grab that money, credit cards and bitcoins and invest in your Excentr machine today.